To install Magento on localhost using XAMPP, you need to set up a local server environment, create a MySQL database, download and configure Magento files, and run the installation wizard. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install XAMPP. Download and install XAMPP, which includes Apache, MySQL, PHP, and PHPMyAdmin on your computer. Start the Apache and MySQL service from the XAMPP control panel. Create a database. Access PHPMyAdmin from the XAMPP control panel or by typing http://localhost/phpMyAdmin in your browser. Create a new database for Magento. Download Magento. Download the latest version of Magento from the official website. Extract the Magento files to the htdocs folder in your XAMPP installation directory. Configure Magento. Rename the env.php.sample file in the app/etc folder to env.php. Open env.php and enter your database details. Run Installation Wizard. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost/magento. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation, including setting up admin credentials and configuring store settings. Complete installation. Once the installation is complete, log into the Magento admin panel and start customizing your store.